Dashboard gives information of electric vehicle sales data in India, specifically looking at how Indian market is evolving and providing insights to help businesses with their global expansion efforts. So I would like to walk you through this dashboard. This is the home page and gives information of key metrics such as electric vehicles sold state-wise, which is giving in percentage. As you can see, Maharashtra is 19.34%, Karnataka is 15.79, and so on. There are three main pages which I had created, like sales by makers, sales by states, and lastly, state comparison. So we will go through one by one. So here I have first cleaned the data, then I have transform it, and then at last I had created different visuals. We will go this first page. This is sales by makers visual dashboard. This dashboard gives information at how many vehicles were sold in India. As you can see, there are different numbers which are giving the overview sales of electric vehicles. Here, 2.1 million electric vehicles were sold, and two-wheelers and four-wheeler have generated the revenue, which is given in billion. We have the another visuals, which is quarterly sales, like top 12 electric vehicles, which are doing from 2022 to 2024. As you can see this visual, like Ola Electric EV maker has sold more than another vehicles like Bajaj, Hero, and Mahindra. We also have the monthly sales trend, which are top 12 EV makers from 2022 to 2024. So here data is quite fluctuating, but it is increasing gradually. Then we have top 12 EV makers which are being sold and generating the revenue. So as you can see, the Ola Electric has generated more revenue from other vehicle manufacturers like TVS, Ather, Bajaj, and so on. There is another chart which gives the EV sold by category, like a four-wheeler is sold less and two-wheeler is sold more in India because it is quite affordable. Everyone can afford it. This is the top 12 EV makers data, like BMW India is the top one, then Volvo Auto India, BYD India, Ola Electric, Bajaj, and so on. So these are the visuals where data is front of you. And this is the slider. As I change the slider, the information gets updated. So dynamic advanced filtering is used. Here I had used the tax formula for calculating the total count, which becomes easy to business user. So moving further, which is the sales by states, like how electric vehicles are sold. This all comparison data is given here. So as you can see that total 57.2 million data was of electric vehicle was sold. From that, two-wheeler has generated 162.6 billion and four-wheeler has generated 22.9.4 billion. And this is the upcoming projected EV sales which will happen 54.2 million in 2030. So this is the target closing sales. So As you can see, we have projected sales, future sales data also, like in 2023, how the electric vehicles being sold in different states. And this data gives information about year by year decline. As you can see, the Arunachal Pradesh and Mizoram, these are the two states where electric vehicles are not sold, and these are the top 16 states where data has been sold of electric vehicles. So as you can see here, we have the Goa, which is 9.84, where sales is increasing uh, gradually, and from Feb 2023 to March 24, it rose sharply. There are other states like Rajasthan, Gujarat, which are given in the form of a percentage. Here we are giving the data and comparing it by taking the 2 years, like 2022 and 2023, for two-wheeler EV, how much we are selling it. And this is the comparison of the state and city. Also, this gives the top 16 states where electric vehicles are being sold, like Meghalaya, Goa, Karnataka, Rajasthan, and so on. Moving further, this is the last one. Here we are comparing the data of two states of selling electric vehicles. So as you can see, like Bihar and Maharashtra, we have data of both states, then how they are performing. And you can see it like in Bihar, 31.0K electric vehicles were sold, and where in Maharashtra, which has more number, 396.0. So here we can compare data with Assam, with another state like Himachal Pradesh. So you can see the data category wise, like two-wheelers and four-wheelers, which are sold, and compare. You can compare it. So as you can see, like two-wheelers are more sold in Assam more than Himachal Pradesh, and four-wheeler data is quite negligible. Also, the revenue generated data is also given in the in this pie chart. Like two-wheelers at 5.5069 million um, revenue was generated, which is more, and here in Himachal Pradesh it was less. So we can also change the data. Here we have EV sales, charging station, and penetration rate by states. So we are comparing the whole data, like how many charging stations are there, how many electric vehicles were sold. So this can give the information to business that where it is less electric vehicles are sold, and how to find solution for those problems. And this is a state-wise sales, which gives the more clear numbers, like Maharashtra has the more, then Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Uttar Pradesh. Here electric vehicles were sold and number of operations. And these are the other states where which have less numbers of electric vehicles. So